This is the part 5 on how to write a book with your smartphone. For you to add images in the book that we are writing, you go to this website. We have up to 4 websites that you can get royalty-free images for your books. So you can type in Egypt or Egyptian pyramid or Egyptian or Egypt city or Egyptian museum. Then you can search for any of these. Let's use Egypt city so that we can get. So download as much as you want. I can download this. Okay, download that. You can say thanks to the image author in Instagram. I do that once in a while. So you can search for more. So the idea is for you to get all these things. Get more. I don't want this video to be long. It's becoming so long. So as you can see, they are giving us Canva. If you can go to Canva and edit, that is, edit the picture, change the effect so that your own will be different from another author's own. But I'm not going to be doing that for now. So what we are going to be doing now, we have like 4 chapters. The way I do my own, we have 4 chapters. I'm going to be putting in each chapter, the beginning of each chapter, I'm going to put an image. So in this one now, you click, for you to add the image that we have gotten from the site, you click on this plus sign. You go to image, click on image, then you import from your photos this. Okay, change to print layout to get a better view. So this is it. Okay, bring in your subtitle up, bring it up, then your name down, put this thing in the middle. Make sure that the image is in the middle by click on this down part. This is for our title page. So you can do the same for this. We left this space for our table of contents. At times it is good for you to add your table of content before adding images, because you don't know the level of your table of contents. So for this space that we left, we know that our table of contents for this book, by God's grace, is just 2 pages. So for this one that we left blank, you can add an image from there. You can go to image again, I'm just going to be randomly, just select, then go back, move it here. This is for our table of contents. Then click from here, page break, so that the introduction will stay on its own. So okay, are you seeing what I'm seeing? So you can decide to add image here. You want your book to be beautiful, but you are going to be smart in doing that. So you can just decide to add image in any beginning of your book. So the same thing to this chapter 1, page break. So this our chapter 1 is in page 10. So what you are going to do, you move it to page 11, page break. Then you can add picture here. Download as many as from the free website. Download as many as you want. So I'm just using the one I'm just giving you an insight. So you can just add image here. Don't use the same images in one book. You can just decide to leave images. It's not a mode that you are going to add image. So, but on my book, all the chapters, their image, I put image there. This space, you add image. You add image. Bring it back. This is normal thing that will happen. so it's left for you to arrange it. So okay, you can just decide to add image here. After this, you can add image here, but I'm not adding. So you can decide to add image here. Just be creative adding. Okay, so in this space you add image again. You add image, you bring it back. Okay, page break. So the idea is for all your chapters to be in odd number. So this is it. This is how your book will look when you have done the necessary things. So okay, this is the empty space. You can decide to drag the picture. Don't use this thing. This thing is just only one in the internet, so don't use it in your book. Okay, so this is how you can add images to your book. Okay, so be creative. Maybe in my another video, in a separate video, I'm going to show you how you can edit, how you can make your pictures to be unique. You can do that with Canva. So after you have done this, what you are going to do next is for you to add the table of content. So before you can be able to add the table of content, if it is iPhone users, they don't have issue. iPhone users, you can just click on this plus sign. Down this, after the footnote, you are going to see table of content there. Then you are going to click on it and use the same pattern I'm going to teach the Android people to do your own. So for the Android users, what you are going to do, as you have added your images, you will now click on these three dots. You click on this share and export. You click at save as, then you save as Google Docs. Okay, it has saved as Google Docs. So what you are going to do, you go to your browser. Go to your browser. You can use Kiwi, then search in for Google Docs. You click on that, googledocs.com. When it's at open, you click on go to docs. When it's open, you click on this first one, the one that you save as Google Docs. What we are trying to do here is for us to insert our table of contents at a goal. You go to your table of contents site. Now try your possible best to place your cursor under the table of contents. When you do that, you click on insert. You click on the table of contents. iPhone users, the same format. You click on this blue link because this one is the one that has the clickable link for our ebook. You click on that. So as you can see, we have added our table of content to our ebook. This is our ebook. Don't mind my phone. Some phone might be doing something like this. So after you have done this, you have added this table of content. Just leave it this way. Go back to your Google app. So this one that is updated, open by 10:01. You click on that. Your phone might be different from my own. Okay, as you can see, our table of contents is here. I just added it. Some people, their phone, you might save it before it can add. So this is the table of contents for our ebook. When you save it, you go to your table of contents and click chapter 2. Okay, it will bring you to chapter 2 immediately. So when you have added your table of content for your ebook, you arrange it, make sure that everything is in order. So as you can see, our image is no more in chapter 4. What you are going to do, you make sure that it is in chapter 4 again. Okay, So our introduction is in chapter 5, which is okay, which is our odd page number. So our next image is intact. Our chapter 1 is intact in odd number. Then you check others, you do an editing work, do very nice job here. So our picture is intact, so our chapter 2 is intact. 27 is an odd number. So our chapter 3 is an odd number, which is 41. So okay, that's the last chapter. So as you can see, our ebook is ready to be published. So what you are going to do, you click on this dot sign because we want to save our, you click on that, then you click on share and export, you click on save as, you click on web page HTML zipped, you click on that, then you click on OK. Do not end there. So after you have done this, you click on this arrow for it to be in your phone, so that when you are uploading, you are going to upload the zip file. You click on OK to save in your Google Drive. After you have saved it as a zip file, this is how it will appear. I don't know how your phone will be like, but what I know is that when you want to upload in your Amazon KDP, just be mindful of when you save that. You go to your download. So this is the zip file. It's going to appear like this. This zip one, the up one that we downloaded by 10:05 May 12. So that's the one that you are going to upload in your Amazon KDP in your ebook section. So this is it. So after you have done for this zip file, that is for your ebook, you go back to your Google Docs. This is one we are making use of. Just remove the table of content from here. You can do it in that website, but I want you to do it here for easy things. So remove it from here. Okay, just click on page break, it will arrange itself. Okay, you save again. Amazon KDP, if you are lazy, you can't do it. You save as Word document. You click on OK. When you have saved it, you go to your as you can see the effect of what we just deleted. We just deleted it in our mobile app, so in web it is deleted too. So what you are going to do, you make sure that your cursor is still under the table of contents. Place your cursor under the table of contents. You click on insert, you click on table of contents. So this one will have page number, so you choose the first one or the second one. The second one has dotted line, while the first one does not have the dotted line, depending on your choice. So I will click on the one that has the dotted line. Okay, so our table of contents is ready. You have input your table of contents in the website. What you are going to do, you come back to your app to rearrange your work before uploading. Then you are going to do what? Save in the right format. Okay, as you can see, our table of contents is here. So let's check if our work is still in the right pattern. Okay, our introduction is okay. Chapter 1 in odd number is so okay. Okay, chapter 2 okay, 27. Chapter 3 33 is okay, and chapter 4 41, and it's still okay. So you go through your work. Our page number, our page count is 45. We are going to use it in creating our paperback cover. So this is it. So for you to save in the right format, being accepted in Amazon KDP, you click on these 3 dots for your paperback. You click on the 3 dots, you click on share and export. Okay, you click on save as. Okay, you click on PDF documents. PDF document, this is what I have been using, and I have never for once have issue with Amazon KDP. You click on that, you click on OK. So it has saved as PDF. You click on this arrow to download to your phone. You click on OK for your email. I don't know how your phone is going to work, but I believe that all Android are the same. So this is this one that has 2 MB is for our zip file. Then this one that has PDF is for our what? Paperback. For you to upload in Amazon KDP, if you go to your Amazon KDP, it's going to direct you to your files. When you go to your files, you go to the download or the document, you're going to see all these things there. So the zip one is for the ebook, the PDF one is for your paperback. And this is how you can create your book and download and format with your smartphone, and you are good to go. If you have not subscribed to my channel till this moment, you are missing a lot. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, try your possible best to ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer all of them. Thank you and remain blessed. Watch out for our book cover creation.